Okay, good morning everyone. Now in 11th standard we'll take one more inorganic section. Okay, the section in inorganic ferrous sulfate. Okay, so here is your ferrous sulfate solution, light green color ferrous sulfate. Okay, so here is your physical test, color light green. Okay, ferrous sulfate's color is light green. Okay, then order. So order burning sulfur like smell and in Fe+2. Okay, order burning sulfur. Okay, then identification of anion. Okay, so in identification of anion, here is different types of test. You all know about this dry heating test, dilute sulfuric acid test, KMNO4 test, concentrated sulfuric acid test, and finally sulfate phosphate test. Okay, but in all of test here is sulfate. Sulfate test is present as a negative ion, SO4 minus 2. Okay, because your solution is ferrous sulfate FeSO4. So in negative ion SO4 minus 2 is present. Okay, sulfate test is OS plus dilute HCl, then heat your solution, then add barium chloride. So your white pipette is developed in sulfate test. Okay, and conformation test of sulfate. So OS plus lead acetate. So again white pipette is obtained. That's why your SO4 minus 2 is present as a conformation test. Okay, so here is a part of anion, identification of anion and conformation test of anion SO4 minus 2. Okay, now we will discuss about positive ion. Now in case of positive ion flame test, so here is no any different kind of flame. Then we will start positive ion. Okay, so your zero group is absent, first group is absent, and second group is absent. Okay, there is no precipitate, but in third group, okay, OS plus dilute NH4Cl plus excess NH4OH, so you will get faint green PPTs for Fe+2. Okay, this time faint green PPT is obtained for Fe+2. So in your identification of cation, your green PPTs will obtain and Fe+2 is present. Okay, as a positive ion. Then in test of conformation test of Fe+2, so Fe+2 here conformation test, PPT is dissolved in HNO3. Then you have to add ferricyanide test. Okay, so potassium ferricyanide solution you have to add. So you will get blue PPTs. Okay, you will get blue PPTs for Fe+2. Okay, here Fe+2 dissolved PPTs, blue PPTs obtained as a conformation test for Fe+2. Okay. So here your positive ion Fe+2 and negative ion SO4 minus 2. Clear? Then your solution is ferrous sulfate. Okay. Third group is present. Okay. Faint green PPTs, and again a conformation for Fe+2. Okay. PPT is dissolved in concentrated nitric acid. Then add a potassium ferricyanide solution. So blue PPTs or blue color obtained as a Fe+2. Conformation test is here. Okay, and your solution is ferrous sulfate. Okay, now we will perform your practical. Okay, now first we will perform negative ion sulfate SO4 minus 2. So we will directly perform SO4 minus 2 test. Okay, OS. So we will take here first your OS in a test tube. So here is your OS solution. Okay, ferrous sulfate OS solution plus add a dilute HCl. So here is your dilute HCl. I will take here dilute HCl. So here is HCl. Then heat your solution. Okay, little heat your solution. So I am heating my solution. So then add barium chloride. Here is your, okay, now heat your solution. I am heating here. Okay, now look here, add your barium chloride in your solution, barium chloride. So look here, white pipette is obtained here. Okay, white pipette is obtained lower side here, white pipette is, okay. So your sulfate test, your sulfate is present as a negative ion. Okay, identification of anion, sulfate test, OS plus dilute HCl, heat your solution little, then add barium chloride. So white pipette is obtained here. Okay, your white pipette is, that's why sulfate is present as a negative ion. Okay, now confirmation of sulfate test. So OS plus lead acetate, again white pipette is obtained. So here is your OS plus lead acetate. So here is your lead acetate solution. Lead acetate, I will add lead acetate. So again white pipette is obtained, lead acetate is here. Okay, I am adding lead acetate and your white pipette is obtained. So again your confirmation test of sulfate is present here. Okay, white pipette is obtained, that's why your confirmation is right. Your identification of anion is right, sulfate as a negative ion. Okay, now we will discuss about positive ion. Now in positive ion, here we will directly perform third group. Zero group absent, first and second group is absent. So we will perform directly third group. OS, here is your OS plus dilute NH4Cl. So here is NH4Cl, I am adding NH4Cl here. NH4Cl, okay, plus NH4OH. So you will get, here is your NH4OH. So green pipette is obtained here. Look, green pipette is here, your as a negative ion. Okay, green pipette is for Fe plus 2. You can easily see green pipette is here, Fe plus 2. Okay, pipette will dissolve lower side. Okay, and here pipette is green. Okay, green pipette. So your third group present faint green pipette means Fe plus 2. Okay, and brown pipette means Fe plus 3. But here you will get faint green pipette, that's why your Fe plus 2 is present. Okay, now in conformation test, here is your pipette is dissolved in nitric acid. So your pipette will dissolve in nitric acid. Okay, then add potassium ferricyanate. So here is potassium ferricyanate. So blue color obtained. Look here, blue color develop, potassium ferricyanate. So blue color is obtained here. Here is your potassium ferricyanate dissolved, then blue pipette is obtained. So blue pipette is here. That's why your Fe plus 2, conformation test for Fe plus 2 is present here. Okay, blue color. So here is your positive ion and negative ion, sulfate SO4 minus 2. Okay, and positive ion Fe plus 2 means Fe plus 2 present ferrous. Okay, Fe plus 2 ferrous. So here and Fe plus 3 is ferric. Okay, so here ferrous is present, Fe plus 2. So your positive ion Fe plus 2, negative SO4 minus 2, and your solution is ferrous sulfate. Clear? Thank you.